You can now buy cryptocurrencies using your card on Hashing Space using the new exchange option over here. So we're going to be breaking it down through this video and how you can make use of it and basically how it works and all that stuff. So if you're interested in watching more and learning more on how to buy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and ASIMI using the exchanges on Hashing Space itself, then make sure that you stay tuned all the way to the end of this video as we're going to be breaking it down right now. Welcome to this new video, and if it's your first time here, I really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on the next videos that we're going to be bringing out to you. Make money online everywhere in the world. This is what we all talk about in this channel. So different ways of making money, whether it's through cryptocurrencies, it's direct USD, it's direct money, whatever we talk about on this channel, so that you can make some money online from anywhere in the world. Right now, as you can see on my exchange right here, so this is the new updates that have been added to Hashing Space. So this actually allows you to be able to buy cryptocurrencies with your card straight from these exchanges that we're going to be demonstrating that have been added on Hashing Space, right? So in the previous video, I showed you, we talked about hitbtc and how you can trade ASIMI over there. You can go check that video if you're interested in knowing more about that. But in this video, we are focusing on these exchanges that have been listed over here, right? So how do you trade or exchange ASIMI? So basically you can buy, sell, or trade or hold your ASIMI tokens using these exchanges below. So what we mean by holding is basically just using these exchanges over here as your crypto wallet. So basically in the Waves DEX exchange, you actually can download this app and then keep your ASIMI on this wallet. It's basically like a cryptocurrency wallet, or you can also exchange using it for other cryptocurrencies. So it's like all in one, which is very, very great, right? So Waves Exchange offers high secure decentralized wallets and exchange. So it has low fees. It actually has low fees when it comes to withdrawals and exchanges and everything. I really enjoy using Waves Exchange. ASIMI is primarily exchange. So this was actually the very first exchange that ASIMI was brought onto before hitbtc came into effect, which recently happened in a few weeks ago, I would say. And then you can actually come here and then click on getting started to view how you can get started with this, but I'm going to be demonstrating for you in this video on how you can do it, right? So the next exchange is actually hitbtc. So this long-standing exchange with high trading liquidity, meaning that there's a lot of trading opportunity for you on this market. So there's just a lot of money on this market, on this exchange over there. So you can trade for pretty much anything that you want on this exchange, right? So right now ASIMI is only listed against Bitcoin. So once you have your ASIMI exchange for Bitcoin, then that means there's no stopping you from exchanging your Bitcoin for whatever currency that you want. So this is another method to get your Bitcoin over here, exchanging your ASIMI that you can earn on this platform for free, by the way. So if you haven't watched my previous videos on how to earn on this platform, I'm actually going to link up a video over here on how to earn the most ASIMI for free out of this platform Hashing Space right now. So make sure that you watch that video after you watch this one. How do you actually buy cryptocurrency? So you can make use of a Changelly. So Changelly is actually one of the best ways to buy cryptocurrency from wherever you are. So how this works is that, as you can see right here, it's actually being integrated into this platform. So if you come to Hashing Space and then exchanges page, and then you come over here, so for you to actually join Hashing Space, there's a link down below. If you are still new and you don't know how to, you haven't actually joined Hashing Space, which is a fast growing community right now, so the links down below. Is totally for free to join, and you can get started earning in the very first minute that you actually join this platform, which is great, right? There's no other platform like that out there that I've seen that actually legit and pays you out. So if you want payment proof, the links down below to my to a playlist of all the Hashing Space videos that I've shared on this platform, so that you can go through them and see what it's all about and how to get started, right? So but pretty much is a very legit platform and great platform to earn some cryptocurrency from. So this is how you buy your cryptocurrencies using this thing over here. So basically you just enter the amount that you want, you select the cryptocurrency that you want, that you have actually, the cryptocurrency that you have, or the form of payment method that you want to make use of. And then once you select that payment method that you want to make use of, you can basically exchange to the cryptocurrency that you want, right? So you can exchange it to the cryptocurrency that you want over there. So if we search for USD, okay, you can actually, here you can only exchange for cryptocurrencies, right? But if you actually go to Changelly itself, I think I'm going to leave the link down below as well. You can actually go to Changely platform itself, and then you'll be able to use different types of payment method to actually purchase these cryptocurrencies. Here you actually basically just exchanging, to be honest. I don't see the option to actually make payment over here. So if I can actually take you to the platform itself so that I can demonstrate from there for much clearer examples. So basically this is how it looks like when you click the link down below to go to the actual official Changely platform. So this is where you can exchange. So basically this section over here is just showing you how to exchange, right? So it's just showing you how to exchange, and then here you can actually buy and sell your cryptocurrencies as well. So if you're interested in buying, you can select the buy option over there, and then when you select the buy option over there, you can choose the amount that you want, and then the cryptocurrency that you want to use, and then the country of residence. So right now I'm in South Africa, and then you can choose the payment method the payment method that you want to make use of. So you can select Visa or MasterCard, which I think are the best ways to pay online, using your credit card straight away, so that you can actually buy, and then it will give you all the exchanges that are available for you to make purchase using that payment method. Or you can also use Apple Pay and bank transfer, but I wouldn't really make use of bank transfer. It's just I wouldn't trust the process, to be honest with you. So the best one is the exchanges that offer the Visa and the MasterCard, just to make it easier and much smoother. So as you can see, you get the rates and everything, and then you can basically get started. Or you can also download the apps on the Play Stores and the Apple Store, and then be able to change from there. But make sure as soon as you click on the link down below to go to Changely, just sign up for your account first before you do any transactions, just to be safer, so that you can send in some support tickets if anything goes wrong. But nothing has gone wrong with me when I've used this platform, and everything has been smooth all the time. So I pretty much, you can trust this platform, and it's very easy to use. So I also promised you to show you how this Waves exchange actually looks like over here. So right, when you log into this platform, you actually be able to see your assets and then add some assets and all that different stuff. But basically we want to focus on how you can actually trade your ASIMI for Bitcoin, right? So when you come over here, we have what we call the order book, right? So you have the sellers over here setting their prices, and then we have the buyers over here. So the buyers are basically the people who are willing to pay this amount of this price over here for each ecoin that they get from you, trading their Bitcoin, giving you their Bitcoin, right? So they're buying ASIMI, and then the sellers are basically selling ASIMI for Bitcoin, right? So that is what is going on over here. So when you come here, you basically can select, let's say you want to buy some ASIMI over here, so you select the buy over here, because you're buying the base currency with the quote currency, using the quote currency. So when you're buying this. When you're selling this for the quote currency. So that is just how the basics that you need to know about this. So when you select the buy section, and then you can select the amount of ASIMI that you want to buy over here, and then you get the quote, right? So the quote over here, and then you can click on buy ASIMI. So obviously if you want to buy ASIMI, that means your Bitcoin account must have some funds in it, and then if you want to sell your ASIMI, you need to have ASIMI in your account, right? So that's basically how this platform pretty much works. So it's pretty much self-explanatory. You can come here and just play around with it. If you got any questions, you can always hit me up in the comment section down below, or you can also join our Telegram group, where I can share with you one-on-one on how to get started and how to use this platform. But you can also check out our previous videos on how to get started and how everything works. But basically you sign in, you create your account, you send your funds over here from our hashing space. When you withdraw directly to your Waves platform through the transaction tab over here. You can actually set up your wallet and everything, and then once you have it withdrawn over here, which I think now is actually either in 24 hours, every 24 hours, or pretty much instant to withdraw ASIMI tokens from the hashing space to here. And then once you have it here, you can trade it for anything, right? You can trade it for anything on this platform, and then withdraw it to, maybe if you can even come and sell your cryptocurrency over here. You can sell your Bitcoin and then have some PayPal money. So that's basically how you can go around with this, making use of these 3 exchanges over here. So also on hitbtc, I've shown you in the previous video, you can this one works exactly the same as this one over here, but here you can only exchange your ASIMI for Bitcoin at the moment. But here, this is where this is the primary exchange where you can trade it for a lot of cryptocurrencies over here. I mean, if you come here and search for ASIMI over here, so we search for ASIMI, and then you're going to be able to see all the pairs that you can actually trade your ASIMI for. So as you can see over here, you can trade it for Waves, for ETH, for some West coin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, ZEC, Monero coin. You can trade it for just a lot. USD Tether, all these cryptocurrencies over here you can trade your ASIMI for, but it also depends on the order books for each of these pairs to see if there's actually anything over there. So if there's nothing, basically you might place your order and then wait for people to come through and fulfill the orders, or if you're in a rush, then you just go to the markets where there's already an order book that is just waiting to be filled. So that is just how you go about when it comes to cryptocurrencies. And then once you have it and you want to sell it, you can come over here to Changely and then select the cryptocurrency that you have and what form of payment that you need from these people, and then you'll be able to sell your cryptocurrency in that way. So this video is pretty much getting long, but I hope you enjoyed it and you enjoyed this new updates to Hashing a Space. And if you want to know more about it, I said the link is down below to get started, as well as the link to a playlist of videos, different videos, how to withdraw, how to earn, how to advertise, how to do everything about Hashing a Space, and you find all the videos there. Otherwise, you can leave a comment down below if you got any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.